What happened?
This call is now being recorded.
Okay. I will start. Today we will see seventh exercise. Okay, so week number may 9, but I will see seventh exercise. Okay, first three exercise, CLA1, that is already completed. Entered the mark also. Then second CLA, maximum over, that is exercise number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, exercise number 4 is the line inclined to both the plane and the projection of planes. Okay, that is a exercise number 4. Then exercise number 5, we discussed the projection of solids 1. Okay, that mainly we discussed the prisms. Okay, how to draw the prisms. Up to fourth week, we completed or we did the experiments problem in 2D. Okay, 2D window. Then we started 3D window from week number 5 onwards. Okay, that is projection of solids 1. Okay, so that also we during the revision class we discussed many commands options. Okay, that is extrude. So mainly for prisms, plane you have to draw, then extrude. Okay, that is the main thing. Is the remaining under okay the location. Okay, whether which you have to start front view or top view. Okay, that you have to understand based on the questions. Okay. So that one week number 5 main first okay, so leave it first week. Second week onwards, you must know the concept. Okay, you must know the concept. Okay, that give an object, whether point or line or plane or solids, the locations also. Okay, so how to start? Okay, which you have to start, then which you have to finally end. Okay, the how to rotate. Okay, how much will be the what will be the final answers? Okay, whether it be a front view or top view or side view, what will be there? Okay, so that and all first 6 weeks. Okay, so leave it first week. So remaining 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, the last week, that is sixth week, we discussed the projection of solids 2. Okay, so that mainly we discussed about the pyramid. Okay, so fifth week mainly concentrated on prisms. Sixth week mainly, that is exercise number 6, we mainly discussed about pyramid. Okay, so in that automatically the command is available from the AutoCAD 3D window. You can take pyramid, number of sides, then height you have to give. Okay, that and all you make clear. Any doubt pa? First week number 4, 5, 6. Okay, I hope we enough we discussed during revision also. If you have doubt means is ask. So why I'm asking telling means, so second week, third, fourth, 5, 6. Okay, up to last week. Okay, so first we know the concept. Okay, you must know the concept. That means okay, your locations, okay, everything. Okay, you have to imagine how to start. Okay, front view, top view, and side view and that. Then today's week and next week. Okay, so today's week, so they will give that questions. Okay, so directly. Okay, so previously I said no, so that the points, lines, planes, and term, they give only questions indirectly. First you have to find the answer, then you have to start the drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, but the today's week on this week, okay, they give the question directly. They give one 3D image. Okay, they give the 3D image with the dimensions, everything. Okay, so you have to draw the 3D image in the AutoCAD. Okay, using some various commands. That is easy only. Okay, so here only to worry about your questions answers. Okay, so you know first how to start, that is enough. Okay, but previous weeks and first you know the concept, then how to start, then you have to get the answers. Okay, but this week, so imagine that okay, they'll give questions directly. Okay, so they give question directly, just they give the 3D image. Yeah, who's raised the hand? Okay, so they give image directly. Okay, they will give image directly. So I'll show the questions also. So you have to draw. Okay, you have to draw the front view, top view, side view. Okay, or how to just if we get solid image, no problem. Okay, for converting into 3D image. Okay, so that is a case. So compared to previous weeks, okay, sorry, solid 1 and 2. Okay, this week is easy. Okay, maybe you'll see easy. Okay, here also same. You have to draw 4 questions mandatory. Remaining we gave some extra problem, that is for practice. Okay, so I am again repeating the practice problem also, maybe they'll ask for exam also. Okay, so kindly practice yourself, but for evaluation point of view, that is not here. We are going to consider. I'm going to consider only for main problem. Okay, so I'll give only some 4 problem, 4 questions only we are giving. That 4 questions only you have to draw and to complete. Okay, so I also repeated again the last week. So when you have next class, that is on Monday now. So 30th. Okay, today's week, that is 7th week. So you have only one problem. Okay, so we'll be taking a less than half an hour, all the questions. Okay, all the questions. Okay, you have all 4 questions. We'll be taking only less than half an hour. Okay, so you can practice today or tomorrow, or at least during our lab time. Okay, on 30th, theater 1 afternoon we have a lab time now, so 2 to 3:30. That time by using the sharing screen. Okay, so that time kindly complete that time. That is the maximum time. Okay, also you can do, suppose when you're network issue, you can complete the evening also. That is your case. But I want the answer the 30th midnight. Okay, only 4 questions. Okay, I will show the question, how to draw the question. I will explain how to draw it also, how to start also. Very easy. Okay, if you know the concept, nothing is okay. So I told already, this is simple questions. Okay, simple week only. You just they give the 3D image, so you have to draw the 3D image in AutoCAD. That's it. Okay, so you no need to imagine the concept and all. Just to see the diagram, then just find how to start. Okay, that is enough. Okay, the remaining can automatically based on the given dimensions you can draw the answers. Okay, so that will be taking only less than half an hour. I can, so 40 people maybe will be suppose we are doing very slow means we will be taking less than 1 hour only. Okay, so we have enough time for completion of this 7th week. So here I won't give extra time. So maximum it's okay 30 midnight. Okay, so I'll come back to that question. Okay, so this week onwards, okay, that will be mark will be considered for CLA 3. Okay, the CLA 1 mark entered for 10 marks weightage. So I consider week number 1, 2, 3. Okay, exercise number 1, 2, 3. Then week number next, that is exercise number 4, 5, 6. Okay, that will be considered for your CLA 2. Okay, CLA 2, the weightage is 15 marks weightage. Already they shown that mark distribution also. Then today's week onwards. Okay, week that is exercise number 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so remaining will be considered for CLA 3 mark entry. Okay, so model exam will be CLA 4. Okay. Second, I will move to today's week exercise. Okay. First, I'll explain the concept. Okay, then I will move to that questions. Okay. So exercise number 7, combination of solids. Okay, so we discussed already solids, how to draw. That is prism and pyramid. Then now we are going to see some combination of solids. Initially we have only one solid, so now we are going to draw 2 solids. Then we have to combine. Okay, so that is a combination. You have to add. Okay, so like this you can imagine. Okay, but not a same prism pyramid. The object may be vary. The object may be vary. So this already discussed what is solid standard. Okay, the last 2 weeks we discussed solid is having the 3 dimensions. We have the length, breadth, and the height like this. Okay. Modeling. So we have to draw it in a mathematical or set it a mathematical principle and draw using computer modeling. Okay. That's a solid. Then having that solid model. Okay, this is some images. Okay, so some and okay, some images. This you can write in a solid. Some basic definition. Okay, so what is primitives? Okay, solid modeling packages having the CHG. Okay, CHG nothing but constructive solid geometry. Okay, so abbreviation of CSG is constructive solid geometry. Okay, so that only I'm going to. Okay, constructive geometry. Okay, so that compatible using user input certain set of building blocks often called as primitives. Okay, so this called as primitives. So these are very simple basic shapes are considered a solid model. Okay, solid modeling. So entities which can be combined by mathematical set of Boolean operations. Okay. In addition, today's week we are going to discuss. Okay. In addition, today's week we are going to discuss only Boolean operations. Okay. So you know maybe you study in the mathematics. I said they are saying the mathematical set of problem. Okay, that is a union, intersection, subtraction. Okay, like this. Okay, that problem only we'll see here. Okay, we'll see that using these 3 options. Okay, so you can complete this today's weeks. Okay, using the Boolean operations. shall come back. Okay. Suppose I have the four more. Now we are using the four most commonly primitives like block, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay, so this is these are the four natural colors: planes, cylinders, cones, and spheres. Okay, so here you know how to start. Okay, block, cylinder, and the cylinder, cone, and the sphere we discussed last. Okay, like this is some solids. So some sphere, cone, cube, pyramid, and some cylinders. Okay, so this is we discussed solids one and two. Okay, so we are saying the same. That is sphere, cone, pyramid, cube, box, and all. We have the shapes. Okay, we have the one shapes that already we discussed in the solid exercise. That is exercise number 5 and 6. So now this important for this week is we are going to study newly study about the Boolean operations. Okay, Boolean operation command in solids. Okay, union, subtract, and intersections. Okay, that only command only we are going to using for after drawing the solids. Okay, after drawing the solids, we are going to using the three commands. Okay, we are going to using the some three commands like union, subtract, and intersections. Okay. So here union, intersection, and the subtract. Okay, so you know union combined one, add again. Subtract is differences, so it's just a minus. Okay, intersection is combination. I hope. So first we see the what is the purpose of union. Okay, union command that is used to combine or just or primitives. That is known as a union operation. Okay, intersection is so we have the two objects intersection are together. That intersection portion only you want to separate. Okay, so that will be the intersection operator. Okay, say if equal or common value. Okay, we normally call it common value. Okay, that is a intersection operator. Then third one, difference. Okay, subtraction. You can take it. Okay, so from major, we have two objectives. From the first object to second object, you can subtract. Okay, that portion you have separate. The remaining options, remaining that is volume, you can take it. Like remaining all be the final answer. Okay, so that is a condition for subtraction. Okay, so just remember the three intersection and subtractions. Okay, suppose yeah before union. Okay, before union, you may see this one cube, one sphere, something shape will be okay. Okay, same some shape will be there. Then that will be touched. Okay, that will be touching together. Okay. You can able to see in a line diagram. Okay. Similarly, for after union, see this red color line is another red color border is and all not visible. Okay, initially here is visible. Okay, initially here that line is visible, but here after union, okay, so that two object, okay, like maybe the sphere as well as the cube will be joined together. Okay, so only that portions. Okay, so will be cube will be inside. Okay, will be
Sir, your voice is lagging.
repeat once again. Others
Your voice is lagging.
lagging. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Here using mobile net only, but okay. Wait.
Sir, but I am
Sir, we
able
are
to hear
able to
you.
hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'll connect with the Wi-Fi. Okay. Wait. 1 minute. Okay. I'll try.
निखिल सर्विस को आवाज आ रहा था
हाँ भाई, मेरे को क्लियरली आ रहा है।
तो भाई सिर्फ तुमको नहीं ना पढ़ना है तो बोलो हम लोग निकल जाते हैं क्लास से।
भाई मुझे मतलब मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ तुमको दिक्कत होगी नेटवर्क में। सर का नेट अच्छा चल रहा है।
Hello. Now okay, audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is lagging something.
No, sir, it's perfect.
It's okay. I'll connect it. Okay, but thank you. Okay, this is the first option in. Okay, so here see from this diagram, I will show that solid image also. So this is line diagram. So that red color, take it as a cube. Blue color, you can take it as some sphere common. Okay. So initially, before joining, okay, that is before union. Okay, so they are different. Okay, the borders, all the corners visible. But after union, see that. Okay, that the cube as well as the sphere will be joined together. So okay, you can able to only see the this. So that borders of some borders of cube is not visible. Okay, see this like this. Okay, finally in solid model it will be looking like, okay, so the cube will be attached to some sphere. Okay, so fine, this is a common for you can using for U options. Okay, so two solids we can join. Okay, so add union. Okay, the next is a subtract. Okay, so you have some different objects. Okay, solid object having some cone. Okay, I'm going to subtract the cone from this object here. Okay, so finally, so the what are the touched portions, so the contact portion of the cone. Okay, that will be subtracted from this one. Okay, so this is the purpose of subtract. Okay, so before subtract, so we have some else will be like this will be there. Okay, under you can having the cone. So we were using the union means so both will be joined. Okay, the using the subtract command from major object. Okay, from taking from this channel to this cone, so that cone will be getting subtracted like this. Okay, that portion, the contact portion will be subtracted from the L channel. Okay, so finally getting this like this shape. Okay, so this is a answer, final answer. Okay, in color. Okay, solid mode after subtract. Okay, the next last one more option is intersection. Okay, here having some cylinder shapes. Okay, shape, then have some space shape. So this both will be contacted together. Okay, so only the after intersection, by using intersection option, so this solid as well this solid, that two portions some intersection. This portion is done. So this portion will be visible finally. Okay, that is after intersection. Okay, so this shapes. Okay, so this one is for that this shape. Okay, for can take it as a cylinder. Calculate something. Okay, so this portion. So this color is on this portion. Okay, that will be for this one. Okay, so both touch together. Okay, so that intersection portion will be visible finally. Okay, that is the purpose of intersection. Okay, I have three commands or Boolean operations: union, subtraction, and finally intersection. Okay, so already you know this. I'm just using in AutoCAD. Okay, and we may see like this shape. Okay, in AutoCAD. Okay, so just we're going to using these three options only. In addition, some we are using some revolve command. Okay, I'll discuss. Okay, revolve command. Okay, we're going to draw like this. Okay, some object. Okay. Okay, so I said already CSG. CSG is nothing but constructive solid geometry. Okay, so I'm going to construct a solid final solid. Okay, with some solid, various combination of solids. Okay, so here the given. Okay, suppose we are having one. We can go via this left to right or right to left. Okay, we can go both the direction. Suppose from this is your final object. Okay, so we're going to assemble like this. Okay, suppose we're having one rectangle block. Okay, rectangle block, then this block, okay, everything will be there. Okay, finally we'll come back from inverse. Okay, so we have one block. Okay, we have one block like this. And from major part. Okay, so taking only major raw material. You can normally call as a raw material. So this will be full height. Okay, this will be the full height. Okay, imagine this is the full height for raw material. I'm going to producing into this shape. Okay, I'm producing this shape. So from the raw material, I'm just subtracting this portions. Okay, like this. Okay, then I'm going to make the hole is in two holes. Okay, I go making two holes like this. Okay, then I'm going to adding this portion from here, like this. Okay, this portion I'm going to add it. Okay, so finally like this you can get the shapes. Okay, getting here. Imagine this is raw material. Okay, I'm going to do raw material. Imagine, so this material will be this position shape. Okay, this material will be this much height. Okay, yeah. You have a doubt, pa? Someone unmute mic here. See that clearly understand. So, okay. Okay, so I'm going to making this object from here. Okay, from this shape, a combination of this one. Okay, for a combination of this one. So for this, for that, okay, so for this portion, see this portion, only this rectangular block portion using this one. Okay, correct. Then from the rectangular block, I have one portion to be removed in this shape. Okay, so like this shape. Or that I can using this one, using the subtract. Okay, using subtract command, I'm going to removing this portion from this material, raw material. Okay. Next is I'm going to remove this two holes also. This is a hole. Okay, I have two holes. Some dimension I didn't explain. Okay, so dimension may be very. So the two holes are there. Okay, so I'm going to subtracting the two holes from after removing this material. I'm going to remove from this side as well as this side. Okay, so I'm using the same minus. That is for subtract. Okay, from this object, I'm going to subtracting this one from this middle position. Then two holes from here and here. Okay. Next is I'm going to adding this portion. Okay, only this part. Okay, add this solid here like this. Okay. So finally, we're getting this all the three conditions. Okay, so that is subtraction, three subtraction, and one addition. You may get the shape of this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, like this only you're going to do. So first you would imagine how to start. Okay, so like this. So this is shape they one. Okay, so suppose they didn't give this one. They didn't give this one. Okay, how to start? Okay, how to start? Okay, for that only they give like these steps. Okay, first you have to draw this. First you have to draw this image. Okay, first you have to draw this solids. Next you have to subtract this one. Next you have to subtract this one. And next you subtract this one. Finally, you can add this one. Okay, using Boolean union command. We are using the subtraction command. So finally, you're getting the shape of this one. So, okay. Same do we discussed that is the intersection and the having the one cube one ball. Okay. Is this in green color? Suppose I'm going to join together. That is union option. Okay, I'm going to using union command. We make the shape like this. Okay, final image. Okay, but same. I'm going to intersections. So that ball as well as this cube. Okay, so what is the intersection? This will be visible like this. Okay, I'm going to subtract. Okay, from the cube to ball means see the inner portions ball is and that will be subtracted. Okay, like this. Here the red color is not visible. Same shape, but the red color is not visible. Okay, so that is a when you're going to practicing, you may understand the Boolean operation. Okay, union, intersection, and the subtract. It's the main three things only we're going to discuss today. Okay. In addition, some revolve command. In addition, on revolve command. So union, intersection, and the plain orthographic projection. Okay, because go is in manually. Okay, so one or two thing practicing manually. I don't have a like a mobile, don't know AutoCAD, not working properly. There's no system also. So for that, I told draw in manually. You can upload it. Okay. For the people maybe not understand clearly. So for that, maybe not under only to draw in 3D. Okay. For the people, you draw this 3 image. Okay. Suppose. Okay. So this we know isometric projection. Okay, isometric projection in AutoCAD. AutoCAD also can able to see the isometric projection in layout option. So we are able to see some 3 dimensions. Okay, so maybe this side and the XY direction. Okay, so 40-degree angle. Okay, so this is a isometric view. Orthographic view. Okay, so I'll briefly explain the orthographic view animation. So I'll explain from this diagram. Okay. So take this image. Okay, 3 image. Some steps will be there. Then one whole will be there. Okay, select this image. Okay, so normally what will the indicator means? Okay, in a question paper also they indicate one arrow. Okay, one arrow they indicate. Okay, so the arrow normally your observer. So based on that arrow, your front view. Okay, you may not imagine. You make arrow from this direction. Sorry, this direction may be heading the arrow. So this shape should be the front view. Okay, or you can get which view. Okay, which showing all dimensions clearly, so they get as a front view. Okay. projection now. So for our first angle projection, front view will be coming above reference plane, top will come below the reference plane. Okay.
Sir, your voice is
Again
lagging.
repeating, this mainly those who are drawing manually, kindly listen carefully. So you are practicing that portion in paper like this method only. Lagging, yeah.
Sir, slightly it's lagging.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like because of the voice. Okay, now. Okay, now what work is but no off only, but nearest that only. Okay. It's okay, pa. I hope now will be okay. Okay, na? Audible? It's okay. I'll continue. Okay, I'll first continue. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay. So you take it this as a front view. Take it this as a front view. So we know the first angle projection normally we are using front view will be above top. Okay, so top will begin below. Okay, so front view, then we can draw the top view. Okay, so then this may be side view. So which side view maybe this is right or left? Which side view this is? I already discussed now. Side view, two side view, left side view and right side view. Okay, what is this side view? Left or right?
Right.
Yeah, right side view. Okay, so I
Right.
turn a right. Yeah, right side view. You have to draw the left side of front view because of imagine I'm standing here. Okay, I'm standing here. So this may be a front view. Okay, this may be a front view. Then for corresponding my standing for my right side, this is right side now. So this is your right side view. Okay, so that you are projecting on left side of front view. Okay, so that's the case. Okay, so left side of front view will be the right side view. Okay. So you people how to start for manual drafting. So you have to draw as per the given dimensions. Okay, they give the dimensions, everything is given. So you have to draw the using pencil. You can draw like this. Okay, front view. Okay, the dimension. The whole also you can draw. Okay, so first one. Next you have to draw the top view. For the top view, you are taking only this dimensions. Okay, this dimension. The top view length is this length as well as this length you can take it. Okay, so that you will take it like this. Okay, so for example, the step you are projecting here, I get it the top view. Okay, like this. So this step you will draw it here. Okay. In addition, they didn't mention clearly. The hole is that hole you have draw with the dotted line. Okay, normally the cut section or removed section or hole. Okay, hollow section and all you have to draw it in dotted lines. Okay, so that according to this diameter of the circle, you have to draw one dotted line here. Okay, that is your top view. Again, repeating this height, you can take it from here, but this one you can take it this from this top. Okay, from this top dimension, you can take it for drawing this top view. Okay, when you're drawing the top view front view, that should be projecting in the same axis. Okay, so same orientation will be there. Okay, so that the end edge will be meeting on the same axis. Okay, so same orientation must be, that is important. If we're drawing front view here, okay, we're drawing top view here, means that is wrong. Okay, so below the front view exactly you are projecting that top view. Okay, or else we're drawing the top view, then projecting the front view, that is also okay. But first angle projection symbol, front view above, top view will be the below. Okay, and this side view, so in the side view I can from this side. Okay, so you're projecting the height also remains same, height also remains same. So there's this length is another, this length you take it from here. Okay, this length you take it from here. Okay, here how many steps? Okay, this steps is this line, this corner. Okay, this edges is there, this corner and this corner, this edges will be there, then this edges. Okay, so we have 3 lines. Okay, so one, top one. Okay, this top one, then this one will be the this edge, then this one will be this edge. Okay, so according to this length you can draw it. In addition, the hole also is done. The hole also you can draw it dotted line like this from here. Okay, diameter of the hole you can draw the dotted line. Okay, so this is your orthographic view. So this mainly for those who are practicing in manual drafting. You must draw this 3 view. You draw only orthography, no need to draw the 3D view. Okay, so 3D view you may draw in AutoCAD, but drawing in manually, you must draw using this like this 3D projection, front view, top view, and side view. Okay, just understand the diagram clearly, then you can start either front view or top view. Okay, like this you can do.
So what was the topic before, the topic name before this, where everything was added and subtracted?
I don't know the title of this topic. Yeah, this
No,
week.
no,
Yeah.
no, no. Just before this page, before,
Concept page.
okay, CGS, CSG, CSG. So
Yeah,
next
concept
page, go to
is
the
also-
next page.
Sorry.
Next page. In the next page.
Yeah.
So in this, no, sir. After this.
Hmm.
After this. In this, sir, that whole. No,
Yeah,
sir.
Okay, fine. In this one.
In this one, if we want to draw the CSG diagram, that whole we can how will we know that it will be a cylinder or a sphere? Because from here we cannot.
That's what I'm saying. They give the dimensions clear in your diagram. For example, show your questions also. So each and everything they'll give the diagram. So you can see that. For example, they give like this. For you also, they give an isometric view, but they give a radius now. Radius of 15. So this may be only circle. You have to make it whole on here.
So it can be a cylinder also,
No,
but it does not end till the other side.
Yeah, this whole normally you have to imagine up to full entire surface. Okay, suppose they're giving only here the thickness, how much they give, suppose they may be a 20 mm, because of this is 20, total 40. So this may be 20 mm. So suppose they're given hole up to 10 mm means they'll be indicating one symbol like this. Okay, here I have some dotted line. Okay, but they didn't give in dotted line. Okay, so this whole you have to take it entire length of 20 mm.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so for your doubt is if you're looking like a sphere, because of this is view is not straight, because this angle is somewhat angle now. Maybe you can some angle, maybe see a circle like this shape only, sphere or a ellipse shape. Okay, so don't confuse. They give dimension clearly. Suppose they're giving this dimension sphere means that will have it different. Okay, for sphere how much they give dimensions of? Okay, there'll be vary. They only go half circles. Okay, half circle, but there'll be sphere option. Ellipse also they give some main axis. Yeah.
They don't give the dimensions, then we can consider any of them.
No, normally they will give dimensions. If any missing means okay, so you can consider as a whole. Okay, circle.
Sphere. Okay.
It's not sphere. Maximum try to consider only circle, cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay.
Yeah, like this. Okay, because of this is not a straight view. If you know a straight view, you may understand whether that is a circle, cylinder, or sphere. Okay, but in this view is isometric view. Okay, so somewhat angle tilted. Okay, like a maybe this angle is 120, like this will come. Okay, 40 degree. Okay, 30 degree will be tilted. So you may get the shape of like this only, not a full circle. Okay, may not be a circle. So actually, this original shape is circle.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll come back to this question, but I'll finishing this PPTs. Okay.
So at the end, the back side of it, there will be also a hole there.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, ma. Okay. So here they didn't mention any. This total length is 20. Okay. This length is 20. They suppose the hole only for up to 10 mm means they'll indicate some of one line like this. Okay. But here they didn't indicate any line. So you can imagine this hole is entire full. Okay, up to the last.
If they want to show off sphere, then how will they show?
Sphere maximum they will use it, but they will indicate here. Okay, so that give her in dimensions, or else in the bill of material something called. They indicate that the circle is like a sphere. The question paper they'll give you directly. Okay, so only they give like this. Okay, the radius or diameter means you can imagine that is a circle.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, radius or diameter they're giving me. So okay, the questions. Okay, imagine that is only circle.
Cylinder.
Okay.
Okay.
Cylinder can take it, circle can remove it. Okay, but same time there only one circle. Okay, only one circle. They removed only this shape is. You can imagine that circle is full removed. That is, you have remove this material. The whole will be full entire up to last.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll come back this questions. Okay, I'll come back how to try it and okay. You ask some shapes, spheres and this is different objects. Okay, so I'll try this circle. Okay, so I'll come back. Okay, I'll come back. This is your questions. I'll come back questions. Okay, once I finish it here. Okay. So kindly remember for those who are trying manual drafting. So you draw these three things. Okay, three things with a pencil. Okay, so you know how to draw it. Already one guy already discussed it. So only front view, top view, and side view will be very dark. Okay, remaining in the projection until you can draw only thin lines. Okay, your projection final view should be very dark. You can use some dark pencils. Okay, so dark color. Okay, then remaining in the lights. Okay. So this already know it should come in. Then this is only I told a revolve. In addition, we are going to discuss this week is revolve. Okay, you draw only half. Okay, half portion. Then revolve. You can this is some just coin. Okay, they did using the revolve command. Okay, they are not drawing fully, so they did only the one half. Okay, half they did. Then using revolve command, they did the one solid segments. Okay, I'll explain this command also. Okay, so before going to this one AutoCAD. Okay, this is our questions. Okay, I'll explain. So again, I will explain some topics from orthographic projection. Okay, this is mainly for everyone, but kindly those who are doing manual drafting, kindly concentrate. Okay, so it's important. Okay, the MCQ also they will ask like this: orthographic projection. Okay. So the very types of drawing. Okay, so they already shared this PPT. This are that will be available in GCR. Can take it. So move it faster. Okay. So here, so we know already asymmetric view. Okay, asymmetric view. In AutoCAD automatically directly showing. Okay, I'm going to layout, moving the cursor. Okay, some angle direction that will be showing the isometric view. Okay, front view below the top view, then side view will be showing automatically. Asymmetric will also showing. In addition, orthographic projection something else same. Your front view, top view, side view. Okay, that only we are drawing only three things. That is we call as a projection of orthographic. Okay. So normally in the plan elevation that we can discuss during building drawing. I will explain what is plan elevation. So just forget this one. So just know what is front view, top view, and side view. Okay. Just now explain the following problem. Okay, you draw the front view. Below that you draw the top view, side view based on the condition. Okay, the left side view or right side view. You draw the front view, nearest front view, you can draw the side view. Okay, so that only you can draw in the orthographic view. So first we see orthographic projection. So we know same plane, horizontal plane, vertical plane, and profile plane. Okay, PP. Okay, so horizontal plane, top will be the vertical plane, front view will be the okay, front view, vertical plane, horizontal plane will be the top view. Finally, profile plane will be the side view. Okay. So same front view will be in PP. Top will be projected on HP. So this everything will be only first angle. Okay, I'm just focusing explain only first angle method. Okay, so front view will be on projection on front VP. Top will be projected in HP. Side will be projected in PP profile plane. Okay. So say VP HP. This is axillary plane. Okay, so this is no need. Okay, worry about this inclined one. Okay, profile plane is straight one. Okay, then you know that method now. Okay, first angle projection. So they discuss only first angle projection. So front will be on VP, top will be on HP, then side will be on VP. So you rotate. Okay, you rotate the HP 90 degree clockwise. My profile plane also 90 degree this direction. Okay, so that will be the final answer. Okay, so right side, left side you can rotate it. Okay, so final answer will be like this. Okay, if you draw the front view, below the top view. So this is left side view. Okay, so left side you draw the right side of front view. Okay, so initially I told diagram, maybe the side will be here. Okay, that is your right side view. Okay, so final answer will be like this. Okay, final answer you draw only like this. You draw the XY line, reference plane, this one. Here you can draw the front view. Okay, same. Suppose you are taking the cube. Okay, you draw same projection below that. You draw the top view. Then you draw the side view. Okay, this is left side view. Suppose they ask right side view means you draw it here. Okay, you draw here. That will be the right side view. Okay. So I'll explain one or two problems, some methods. Okay. For this one, okay. Okay, so this is your objects. Okay, so this is you can take it as a rectangle prism. Okay, rectangle prism like an object. Okay, so they indicate some different color. Okay, so I'm standing here. I don't know. Normally in question paper they leave an arrow mark. Okay, the arrow mark showing the front view. Okay, that is observer. You are standing here. You are showing to see this object. So this will be the front view. Okay, so here front view will be the one rectangle. Okay, so shape of some blue color. What is the top view? Top will be the this color. Okay, so some green color. Okay, so this this side view, this is left side or right side view. For your observer, this is the left side. Okay, so this is the left side view. You draw the right side of front view. Okay, so finally your answer will be like this. So this is your front view. Same. This is you are using only parallel projection. Okay, parallel projection. Someone unmuted. Any doubt? Okay. Then this is your top view on HP. Then this you are to the side view on PP. Okay. That's okay. So their dimension should not vary. Okay, should not do. Dimension is remains same. Okay, what are the rectangle dimension? This one will be the triangles. Okay. This is triangle projection. So here I don't want to discuss fully. Okay, so same, just inverse. Okay, first angle triangle. Top will be above, front will be below. Okay. I'll move fast. I got some problem. Then I'll explain. Okay, this one. Suppose they give this question like this. Okay, I have done to this question. For this question, you have to draw the front view, top view, side view. Okay, so you have to draw, normally in AutoCAD, I told now AutoCAD easily you can draw on this shape, extrude, then you can remove this portion. So like this you can do it. I'll explain AutoCAD, but this is mainly for manual drafting. Okay, so for front view will be this pink color. Okay, so here shape is not the original shape. Okay, shape is will be very okay. This shape as well as here, so you can able to see. Okay, this color also can be able to see in the front view. Okay, standing from here, I can able to see this pink color. Okay, that is your front view. Okay, then from top view, green color. Okay, so this shape. Okay, this shape is visible on the top. Okay, so here one L channel, then one small maybe the square or else rectangle. Okay, then side view, this L channel, this dimension shape as well as this step, this one. Okay, this surface. Okay, will be visible. See. You can project only corners. Okay, remember corner parallel projection. You can use it. So front view and other shape. Okay, so you fully have some square shape. Then this step is another step they marked here. Okay, like this. Okay, this is your front view. Then top will be same green color. According to this square dimensions, you can write. Then in addition, this edges is and this edges. Okay, this edges. Okay, on the here. Okay. Then side view, all the corners, same this L shape as well as this colors. Okay, this surface, not this one, this surface. Okay, here you can imagine, finally imagine. Okay, so you may understand it easily. Okay, final answer is you have to draw XY line. Okay, this was mainly for manual drafting. Can you listen? We have to draw XY line. As per the dimensions of this side view position, we can draw the side view. Okay, side view. Then just projecting they're projecting with the imaginary line. Okay, project imaginary line. Okay, all the corners. Okay, so you can draw straight. Okay, from the front view. Same dimension from here. Okay, top view dimensions here. Okay, so you draw the top view. Okay, side view also you are just projecting from the same from the front view. Okay, see all the corners. This corner as well as from this corner, only this one you can projecting. Same height of front view, only this thing is this length. Okay, you draw the side view. Okay, so for when you want to draw manual drafting, three things important. Okay, they give only one big question like this. Okay, they'll give only this one. You have to draw front view, top view, and the side view. Okay, so this is mainly for, again repeating, this is mainly for those who are drawing in manually. Okay, manually, that means AutoCAD is not working properly or they not installed AutoCAD. Okay, or else they don't have a system. Okay, that people kindly using scale pencil. This answers. Okay, you draw it in your paper and scan and upload it. Okay, for evaluation. Okay, no need to draw this one. Only draw 3D image. I want only this 2D image. Okay, front view, top view, and side view. Okay, that is orthographic projection only I want. Okay, I hope you understand.
So when be submitted? When be submitted?
Same day only, 30th day. I'll tell you. I'll come back to the question. Okay, I'll come back to the question. You may understand easily. Okay, like so. This one different question. So I'm moving some other one important. Okay, so here they may data line. See, so this is object here. Okay, for this is observer. Or draw the front view. Okay, front view will be nothing but okay. This blue color. Okay, so the blue color. What are the things visible? That will be the front view. See there. Okay, so here this line. You must know all the edges as well as corners. Okay, so this edge. Then this corners, then this edge. Okay, now this line. Okay, this line is for this one as well as this one continuously. Okay, fully. Then this height here. Then this length is the cut here you can write. Then finally this height you write. Okay, this is your front view. Then here top view. Okay, top view. I told now for cut section or hollow position. Okay, hollow things are whole and all you can write dotted lines. Okay, I can from the top view. Okay, from the top view. Here some cut portion is there. See there. That means here some portion is not there. Okay, only this thickness up to not fully up to this full height. Okay, only this distance. Okay, only this this portion is not visible from the top. Okay, so from this length. Okay, you are drawing dotted lines. Okay, I'll show that one. Same you are projecting in all the corners. Okay, so this dotted line the dotted line mainly for imagine this portion. Okay, this line. Okay, on the bottom, imagine the bottom, some portion is removed. Okay, not there. Okay, not available. Okay, so removed portion, cut portions there, or hollow portion. Hollow portion you can draw same dotted line only. According to this length. Okay, this length, that is this length, you draw the dotted line up to here. Just up to here you draw. Okay, you draw the dotted line. Okay, remaining the same. Okay, this position, this one here, then this shape. Okay, shape is same from the top. Okay. Then similarly for side view, any dotted lines? Any idea?
No, sir. No, sir.
No dotted lines.
See there, from this side. Okay, I'm going to see from this side. Here, this image. Okay, this block is not fully up to this entire length. Okay, here some hollow portion is there, and that cut portion is there. Okay, so according to this one, you can draw some dotted line. Okay, from here up to this entire length, maybe some portion is not visible from this side. Okay, this back side is not visible. Some cut portion is visible, but not visible. So you draw here dotted line. Similarly for here, that cut portion is so this line according to this line here. Okay, so this line you are drawing dotted line. See. Okay, again repeating. So this dotted line indicating for here this cut portion. Okay, here the portion is not there. Okay, so according to this length, this is the length. So this height length. Okay, you have draw the dotted line here. Here. Okay, that's why they draw in here. Okay, this dotted line indicating for having some cut portion from the side view. I can able to see from this back. Okay, so here some removed portion is there. So that portion you have drawn here from here dotted lines. Okay, so the dotted line indicating this block. Okay, so that means this block is not fully up to entire length. Okay, so some length only, some length is not available, that is removed. Okay, so you are indicating like that dotted line. Similarly for here they did dotted line. So this line. Okay, so y means okay, this dotted line mainly for up to this. Okay, so this imagine this block is up to only here this distance. Okay, so but the full object is up to this entire length. Okay, but here there's no objects. Okay, have some cut portions. Okay, so for indicating that cut portion you have dotted line here. Okay, according to this length. Okay, this length. You don't draw here. Get out this length you draw the dotted lines. Okay. So finally you draw front view. Let's project in the front view. Below that, you get in the top view. Okay, or dotted lines, everything will be there. Okay, then side view same.
So that
Yeah.
dotted line is made when we can't see whether it is cut or not.
Yeah, correct. Cut section.
But sir,
Yeah.
from top view we can see that extended portion, it's only up to some extent. It's not full.
That's what. Here, why I'm doing dotted line means from the top. Okay, from the top. This okay. This is not up to full length. Imagine this length is not up to full length. Okay, but here some portion is there. See this portion. This portion is there. That is this portion. Okay, this portion is there on the bottom. I can able to see from the top, I can able to see this cut portions. Okay, so according to this length, okay, this length, okay, that is this length, you have to draw dotted line. From the top, I am saying. From the top, okay, so this, see, this is your original length, okay, so imagine this is your original length, height, okay, height, okay, but this full length will be up to here because of this having some corner, okay, so total length should be up to here, okay, arrow, see my arrow, okay, up to here, but
Yes,
here
sir.
the portion is removed, not that, okay, from the top I can able to see visible. Okay, so imagine
sir, okay, sir.
original shape is from, see my cursor, original shape is up to here to up to full shape. Okay, so this portions, okay, leave it, no problem. But the top, this portion is not visible. Okay, but the corner should be up to here. See, this corner, the maximum corner is up to here. Okay, so this shape is not visible now. This gap is not there. But you are trying.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Overall, from arrows, we can assume that this part is cut or this portion is remaining.
No, this arrow for your understanding, but the question they give only this shape only. Yeah, you can assume from arrow also. That is also fine, no problem.
Okay, sir.
This arrow normally for understanding only they give animation, but they give only questions only. They only 3D image. Okay, they don't give provide arrow. Only they put only this arrow. Front view arrow only they provide. Okay, so you have to imagine. Okay, here the main thing is for this week and next week and all, you have to imagine. Okay, so with the dimensions, okay, as well as the shape, you have to imagine. Okay, then only maybe completing this question because the question they give directly. Okay, this is your question. You have to write 3D view. That's the give question directly. But you have to understand how to start that. That is the main thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the answer. So same here, some cut portion. You already sharing this PPT with you. Okay, just go through. See data lines there now. So here data line is for front view. Okay, why the front view? This portion is another cut portion. Okay, so that they are not visible. So you can draw that according to this shape, L shape. You have to data line. Okay, from top view, this bottom portion is another this bottom portion. Okay, so
Sir, in front view, sir, in front view, why we dotted?
why?
Why we dotted?
Yeah, but I'm saying now front view. See, this is front view. Okay, I'm saying this shape. Correct? This shape the already they drawn. Okay, like this. Okay, but imagine here some portion is not there. Cut portion is there. Okay, the front view in this direction I can able to see this diagram, but this portion is not there. This area is not there now. So according to this area, this length, you can draw the dotted line. This dotted line. Okay, that means not fully. Imagine that not fully up to this length. Okay, up to this length, you have to draw the dotted line. So that is this dotted line. So this dotted line mainly for this cut portion. Okay, the top with dotted line is for this cut portion.
So then in the front view, there would be one more dotted line, no? Because between those two blocks, there is space. Yes, sir, over there.
Very good, very good. Yeah, they missed it. Okay, they missed it, but you can draw here one dotted line. Correct. Very good. Okay, but you have to draw one dotted line here from here. Here we have to draw one dotted line. Okay, because of this shape is not this shape. Okay, according to this shape, you may draw one dotted line here, here. Correct. Your point is correct. Any of the final data maybe they drawn. So I hope people understood. Okay, so dotted line mainly for cut section. Okay, so not portion is not visible. Removed portions you have to draw the.
So in the top view, behind part, that line and that square should be, that rectangle should be dotted and the line should be like.
Which one? This one.
Because
In the top view, this corners, everything is there. Top view, no, but this indicating the green color. Okay, no problem. Why they giving the dot line means the top view. See this bottom. This cut portion is another portion. See my cursor. Okay, this portion is not able to see from top. Okay, for according to this length, you have draw this dotted line. Okay, so this dotted line for from this corner. Okay, this dotted line for from this corner.
So the cut portion is dotted line, no? So that rectangle should be dotted, no? Because there is cut over there.
Which rectangle? This one or this one?
In the top view, the second rectangle के अंदर जो rectangle.
Here,
that-
here.
No, sir, in the top view,
Here.
down the green. No, sir, not.
Yeah, wait. I'll show one by one. Okay, in top view, this one, this one.
Yes, sir. Ha, that portion. That
Because
should
of
be
this,
rectangle.
no, rectangle only. No. See, this rectangle
Uh,
gone because of the top. Wait. I understood your question. In the top view, okay, no need to worry about this one. Okay, so this corner will be this corner. Imagine, you can imagine this top view. This rectangle will be visible only. See, this color is
But
shown
there
at
is
the top.
a curve over there, so that should be dotted. No?
This is not removed possible. On the top, I can able to see this surface. From the front view only, I can able to see. Not able to see only this portions. Okay, that only you right dotted in here. But the top view, the surface is visible from the surface. Imagine surface. For front view, this surface is not visible. See, this surface is not visible. That's why they mentioned dotted. But the top view, I can able to see this surface. Okay, so that way they draw the continuous line, not dotted line, continuous line without
Then
the
the behind dotted line is for what?
this dotted line, sir.
Yes, sir.
That I told you that line is for here. This one. Imagine this portion, cut portion is this length.
So that should be in rectangle dotted, no, because that is not visible.
No. Yeah, from the top, this corner, this line is going on. This line having some cut portion is there. Okay, this line is fully up to entire length. That length only they draw on this line. For this dotted line is for this one from this corner. From this corner as well, this corner is same. That is for this dotted line. You just
Okay, sir, got it.
just imagine from the top. Just imagine from the top. This okay from this point. I'm going to draw only this full cut portion. Okay, so this length. Okay, this length nothing but this length. This
Yes, sir, got it.
okay. So this dotted
Yes,
line
sir.
for this edge. Okay, this line on this side. Okay. Similarly for side view. Any guess?
So the bottom one will be dotted.
Correct. Very good. Okay, so the bottom one up to this side. Okay, up to this side, and dotted lines. Okay. Yeah. So this dotted line is for mainly for this height. Okay, according to this height. This height is nothing but this height. Okay, so we have dotted line from here. Okay, that's it. If you understood this diagram, very easy. Okay, so this mainly for, I am again repeating, mainly concentrate for manual drafting. Okay. Okay, so like this we have many images. Okay, so I'll move it faster. I'll draw one more whole image I'll show us. Okay. Here. Maybe complicated only, so but easy. Okay, so the front view, the shape will be this whole diameter control dotted line as well as they missed, but this hole is another. This hole you dotted line from here also. Okay, the top view, this hole as well this hole. The top view only this lines. Okay, this length only you draw the dotted lines. Okay, only this portion only you draw the dotted line. Side view, you draw dotted line for this circle, this circle as well as this portion. Okay, see.
So repeat again.
Yeah, I repeat it. The same. I'll show the answer. You can understand. Okay, see. Side view, you have dotted line, but they indicated. Right, I'll show answer. Okay, indicated. Okay. Again, repeat in the front view. This hole is an. I told now any cut portion as well as hole of your dotted line. Okay, so this hole your dotted line according to this diameter of the circle. Okay, so diameter of circle they do the dotted line from here. Okay. As well as here also the hole is there. Okay, so that hole also draw the dotted line from here. They made here already here. Okay, this dotted line. Okay, for the smaller circle. Okay, this dotted line is for this bigger circle hole. Okay. In addition, the top view. Okay, here you got dotted line, but they didn't indicate it here. The top view, this hole as well as this two hole is visible. No need to have dotted line, but this portion. Okay, so I discussed in the previous one. Same. This portion. You got dotted line for here rectangle. Okay, so this corner as well this corner you got dotted lines. So in top view, in side view you draw all. Okay, so you draw all. So same according to this height. Okay, you draw dotted lines. They did here. Okay, according to this hole you can draw dotted line here. Same according to this hole you draw dotted line here. Okay, so the side view I able to draw these two holes. Okay, two holes dotted lines as well as this hole also dotted line. Finally, the cut portion, bottom cut portion you draw the dotted lines here. But the top view, only the bottom surface. This only you have to draw the dotted line. Okay, but in the front view, only this bigger hole as well as the only one smaller hole. Okay, you have to draw the dotted lines. Okay, I have many problems here. You can see from your side. Okay. Okay, from this side, for this one, what is front view? The idea. Okay, so this circle is visible. Okay, no problem. But this circle is not visible. So your dotted line here as well as this circle is not visible. Your dotted line. Okay. Similarly, for top view, this circle is visible. No problem. But this one
Two
as well as
circles are not.
yeah, two circles are not visible. Okay. So from side view, this circle is not visible. This is not visible.
Sir, in the top,
Yeah.
from the top view, 3 circles are not visible.
Yeah, correct. Only this circle is visible.
Yes,
The
sir.
top only this circle is visible. Remaining not visible. But in the front view, this 2 is visible. Okay, 2 means only one circle is visible. Okay, so it enables only one circle.
Sir, from side view, there is no circle visible.
Bottom is visible.
The
No?
bottom is visible.
Bottom only visible. This 2, 3 things are visible. Okay, so you may see the answer like this. Front view, this circle is visible, so no need to draw dotted line. You can draw a continuous line. Okay, but this one as well as this one, you can draw a dotted line like this. Okay, top view. This is visible. This circle is visible. That is here. Okay, according to this length. Okay, height. Okay, draw the circle. This is visible, but this not visible. So 2 not visible as well as bottom also not visible. Okay, so 3 is not visible. Correct? So top view 3 is not. So this 2 as well as this one not visible. Only this is visible. That you draw like continuous line. Front view only this one. Okay, but the both circles are on same axis. So you don't need to worry about backside circle. Okay, so only one circle is enough. Okay, so that one circle. And this one and this one not visible. That is this one not visible. Okay. Side view, only bottom one is visible. Remaining not visible. See, only bottom is we have to draw continuous line. So remaining this two circle, and this circle we have to draw this circle like this. Okay. It's very easy only, but you kindly imagine. You have to imagine is very important. Okay.
So that other dotted line between the two dotted line is for that circle center.
Yeah, correct. The axis.
Axis.
Yeah. So, okay. So many things is there. You can refer it. Okay, about PPTs. So I'll come back to our questions. Okay. So now turn. I'll finish it within 10 minutes. Okay. So this is a question I'm going to uploading today. So okay. So exercise number 7. Okay. That week number 9. Okay. So combination of solids 1. Okay. So again repeating for the students who are doing manual drafting. Okay. So the same instruction. Okay. Okay, question number 146. Okay, you have to draw only 146. Okay, for those who are drawing manual drafting, only the 3 questions with the scale pencil, what I discussed, the front view, top view, side view, you have to draw. Okay, so remaining, those are drawing AutoCAD, the first 4 questions. Okay, first 4 questions. Using Boolean operation, revolve command, you have to solve this one. Okay, so I'll explain. Okay, the first question, this one. Okay. Simple, very simple. Okay, you can finish it within less than 5 minutes. Okay, so they given question dimensions clearly. Okay, so they given 60 mm, here 50 mm. Okay, so you draw one triangle. The triangle from length here is 30 mm. Okay, that is 20 mm will be inside here. Okay, instead of that one this block as well as remaining 10 mm will be outside. Okay, so here how many parts? Only 2 or 3 parts.
Height not given.
Hmm?
Height of the cuboid.
Height of you can take it as almost you take it 30.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can take it 30. Okay, so no problem, no need about height, you can take it 30. No problem. Okay. So how many parts?
2.
Only 2 parts. Okay, only you have to only this 2 parts. No, only 2 is enough. Okay, only this square as a rectangle, maybe 50 cross 16. So this rectangle block, then this
triangle.
Yeah, that's it.
Pyramid.
Then you can use not pyramid. Then maybe this is. See, this is not pyramid. Imagine. Okay, this is full block up to this full length. Okay, so you have drawn only 2 block. Then using which command?
Union.
Yeah, very
Union.
good. Command you can join. That's it. Okay, I'll show the answer also. So see there like this. Maybe an object like this will be there.
Can you show one in AutoCAD?
Huh? I will explain
You-
AutoCAD. I will explain AutoCAD. Okay, wait. But I'll just clearly explain theory portion. Okay, I will go to AutoCAD again. Okay. So this is the given questions. Okay. So this is question given. After completing your question, you will get like this shape. That means this triangle not visible. That is we have joined rectangle block as well as triangle block together.
Triangle block.
Okay. Okay. So after union, you may see like this. After suppose if I draw intersection command, you can only this portion is only visible. Okay. Only this portion is only like this. Okay. But I'm going using the subtract means like this shape. That means this portion is removed. Okay, only that portion is removed. Okay. So I'll draw this question in AutoCAD. Okay, see. So this one you can draw it 2D or 3D also, but mainly you can draw it in 3D. That is enough. Okay, in 3D only you can able to see the union option, but in the 2D also you can draw it. That time you can use in for command names. Okay, but I can draw it 3D itself. Okay. First you set the units. Now units. Change the precision value, millimeter. Then click OK. Then limits. Okay, then zoom all. Okay, so I did it. So before going to that, I'll explain that where is union intersection will be there. See that this is the option for union. Okay, that will be available here. Solid union. Okay, I'll type you can union command in command box. Okay, this is for subtract. Okay, or you can type command in a command box. Okay, or else this is the intersection. Okay, so 3 things only you're going to using for first question. Only the first things enough. But I'll explain. Okay, what are 3 things? Okay. So first, imagine which way you have to start it. Okay, which way better, whether top view or front view better. Okay, okay, which way you start?
Top view.
Front.
Front view means we are draw this set portions. Okay, that is I told 50, sorry 30 cross 60, then extrude up to 50 mm. In top view means we are draw this portion, that is 50 cross 60, then extrude up to 30 mm. Okay, your wish. Okay. So I'm going to start from the top view. Okay, for my condition, because of front view also, and top view 50 cross 60. Okay, imagine. Okay, see that. I'm selecting top view. I draw one rectangle. Okay, suppose we're using line command also you can draw, but after line command must you can region or join you can do. Okay. I told now to draw the line option also you can try it, but you can do the join because you can convert into single entities. Okay. So draw was rectangle. Okay, then dimension is length you can take it as a 60, width you can take it as a 50. Okay, okay, sorry, again repeating, length dimensions, length is 60, width is 50, enter. Okay, just click it. Okay. Okay, so this is a single one rectangle. Imagine I'm selecting this all setting. Always we're using the line option means auto mode on 60, 50, 60, 50. Okay. Here see only one single engine. Okay, but I want to convert into single object. Okay, so you can using the region. Okay, region or else join. You can use anyone, but I'm using join. Now see, now this is a single object. Okay, similarly this is already did with the help of rectangle. Already you know already you people, better you must be a single object. Okay, so using this one, so then converting into some view isometric and take it. Okay, then which command you?
Extrude.
Yeah, very good. Okay,
Extrude.
You can take it. I told 30 mm height. Okay, okay, so enter. You can take it 30. Okay. The next, okay, I'm going to draw one more diagram. Okay, in only top view only. That is one
Triangle.
triangle. Okay, I'm going to draw one triangle. So you can using the polygon command. Okay, you know the polygon command. So polygon number of side is 3.
3.
Edge method. Edge I know 30. Okay, so in this position we want to this position 30. Okay, correct. So 2 method is there. Okay, so I'll explain. I will come back later. Okay, so then next you can go to isometric view. You can
Extrude 30.
Okay, extrude
30.
enter 30. Okay, next I'm going to move into here. Okay, so I'm using the move command. Move into mid position. Okay, I want to move into mid position. Okay, so length, imagine the given question is 20 mm inside. 20 from here to here, 20 mm must be. See that 20 mm must be. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do means see. I'm going to draw one line from midpoint. Okay, so from midpoint maybe see this triangle now from here to here. I'm going to draw for 20. Okay. Next, I'm moving this corner to this position. See that using move command M. You can do any method. Okay, for you, which method is for you? Okay, you can do it. Okay, moving from here this position to this end. Okay, now I'm going deleting this line. Correct? Now you can able to see in 3D view.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this. Your questions is coming now like this. Okay. See, from this I'll explain these three conditions. Okay. See. Now this is one object. This is one object. Okay. But I'm using coming into single object. Okay. Further I can using the union. You can select union here. I'll type command bar. Okay. I'm selecting the union. This is asking select object. Okay. So 1 and 2, press enter. Now see, this will be a single object. Very easy. With the help of union command, selecting two objects, press enter, automatically the joint all will be joined together. Initially, you may see the one line like this, okay, curved one, but not visible. Now coming to like this. Correct, I like this shape. Union command. Understood the purpose of union?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
again, okay, I'll undo now. I'll do the same thing for intersection. Okay, see. Now I undo. Okay, now that see now that triangle shape is visible. Okay, now this is a different object as well as this is a different object. Okay, I'm using the command is okay using the intersection. Again, it is asking select object, this object as well as this object. Press enter. See, only this portion is there. Only the intersection portion is there. Like this. So okay. Next subtract. Okay, so see. I'm going to undo this one. Okay, so now this is one object, this is one object. Okay, I'm going to subtract. Okay, so using this one, so type command bar. Okay, so subtract. So imagine here you can select the object, major one first from which object to which object. Okay, so I'm going to selecting this object. Okay, the object, press enter. Next, they asking subtract select object. Okay, again this selecting this one, press enter. Okay. You may see like this. Okay, understood the three conditions: union,
Yes,
subtract, and intersection. Simple only. Okay, but your question is you draw only this one with the help of only union. Okay, you draw only union command. Okay, so you can draw union option 1 and 2. Press enter. Okay, this is one method. I'll draw one more time. Okay, so for extrude option also you can do it same time. Okay, I'll explain that also. For extrude also you can draw it in the same time. Okay, for example, I'm drawing the rectangle with the dimension. Okay, 60, 50, edit one rectangle. Okay, next I'm going to draw one triangle. Again, 3 edge method. Okay, then like this. Okay, press F8. Ortho mode is on. Okay, 30. Okay, next I did from here to here, center point to here is 20. Very good, 20. Then enter. Then using move command, select object, enter. Moving this corner to ortho mode is off up to here. Okay, now delete this line. Okay, now you can see in 3D. Okay, now again we will do extrude also. Okay, but please edit separate. That is the correct one. Now I joined everything together, then I can go to extrude. Extrude, select object, press Control, select object. Extrude, select object, press Control. Oh, no need to press Control. Okay, just press Enter. Height of 30. Okay, this also you can do. Okay, this but we'll be doing separate only.
Sir, can you again explain this? What you did just now?
No, this is simple only. Instead of I did a separate two object, na, but I did only same object, single. Only I draw first top view, everything. See. Okay, again I'll do fast. Okay, see, initially I draw one rectangle like this, correct? Then I did one triangle like this. Okay, then I did one line 20 mm. Then I'm moving triangle to there. Then I'll delete the other line. Then next, this is on 2D. Okay, again I do the extrude option. I did the extrude of 30 mm. That's it. But this one I did separately. Okay, for you which is convenient, we can do. Okay. Can you move next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we have to take screenshot of the AutoCAD, or we have to put it in that white page.
But I think for this one they didn't mention, but you can take it both. For this condition also, you can take it on screenshot. Okay, where is that one? So in this 3D image also take it on screenshot. Then you can, after converting everything, just move to layout. Okay, same what we discussed. That also you take on screenshot. For this one, you can take it to screenshot.
So we have to show the union one in first, na? Union one we have to show only, na?
Only union is enough. No need to draw all the things. Okay, because they didn't mention anything. Okay, just to know how to use that subtractor, how to use the intersection.
We don't have to take it into the white page and then show. We can directly take the screenshot of the AutoCAD, no?
For that only I'm saying. Okay, here they didn't ask. Okay, but for my suggestion, because anyway you are only doing. Okay, so from this position, take one screenshot. Okay, in solid condition. See, in solid condition, take one screenshot. Okay, next you go to layout option and then converting front view, top view, and side view. Take one screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, so one question you can take two screenshots. That is enough. Okay.
Sir, we have to show the dimensions also, like of the box and everything.
That in layout option dimension. Here no need to worry about dimension.
Okay, sir.
In layout option, you can show dimensions. Okay, with front view dimension, top view dimension, you can say that is enough. Okay. So now we're moving fast. Okay, so next I'm going to one question to explain. Okay, easy only. Okay, I'm taking the front view. Okay, for the second question, I'm taking front view. Okay. So here you can use the revolve command. Okay. So you draw the dimension. Okay, but I'm going to draw with the dimensions. Okay, because the time is not there now. So you can measure the dimensions. Okay. So here.
Sir,
not clear. Once again. How does?
Sir, your voice is lagging.
No, it is not lagging. Check your internet.
You are only I'm getting some lagging. Your voice is also clear, not clear. Others.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll send the recorded video also. You can go through. Okay. So for this question, it's okay. So I'll draw without dimension, but you will draw with dimension. Okay. So I'll imagine these shapes. Okay. So only thing is using line option. Okay, and drawing without dimension. Again repeating, and drawing without dimension. You people draw with the dimensions. Okay, it will become correct. Okay. Okay, maybe like this shape. Okay, maybe like this shape is our question also, but the dimensions. Okay, so you have to start from any point. Okay, you can draw this one. Then using the revolve option. Okay, further you get some distance. So I'm going to draw that also. So before that, I'm going to join this one. Okay, so this is I did a single. Okay, so we have to join into single object. Okay, now it will be a single object. Sorry. Now I take one axis. Okay, like this. The question they give some different length. The next main thing is revolve. Okay, so command is revolve. That will be available below the extrude. Below the extrude, revolve. Select object, press enter, then asking the axis. Okay. So before that, I better change into some view. Okay. Okay. So revolve, select one object, press enter. Just asking axis. Wait, they're asking axis. So I'm taking this my reference axis. Okay, from here to the reference axis. Next, asking the angle.
Atul, mute.
Atul, kindly mute. I'm going to revolve into some angle. Okay, if I want to do 180 means half will be there. 270 means 3/4. Like this will be there. Okay, so I'm going to revolve 360 means becoming like this. Okay. Okay, this was second question. After they can delete that line also, that axis line. Okay, so here again repeating for this question. Okay, for second question, you can start from here. Okay, here you can draw this one. They given 25 mm. 25 mm. This length is 50 mm. They given so 25 mm. This height is 10 mm. Similarly, this height also is 10 mm. Okay, so 10 mm draw. The next, make sure from this point to here, from midpoint, take it from 22, 22. So for that, you can use the offset command. As better, you can draw from midpoint 11, 11. Then join these two lines. Okay, va. Other want to draw this with the dimensions. Can I draw with the dimension, or you will be draw with the dimension your own?
So you give the dimension.
Sir.
The time, okay, we'll take it 5 minutes, 10 minutes extra. See, I'm going to take it front view. Okay, imagine I'm going to take it only front view as per this dimensions. Okay, according to question they given, this is 25, this height is 50. Okay, see this 50, 25. So I'm going to draw that one. Okay, line from here to here it is 50, here it is 25. Similarly, for here to here is 25. Then this height is 10. Similarly, from here to here is 10. See, very easy. First, you know the understand dimensions clearly. Okay, this is 10. This is 10. Okay. Next, from here to here is 14 mm. Okay, 14 mm. Then here is 22 mm like this. Okay, so leave it. I'll take it from middle point. Okay, middle point from here to here is 12 mm. This gap is 12 mm. Remember this 12 mm. Okay, draw the line from the midpoint. Okay, from the midpoint taking some 12 mm. Then from here to here is 11. And similarly from here to here is 11. Sorry. Okay, now deleting this line. Then using again line options, join ortho mode is off. Join this one, as well as join here and here this one. Okay, that's it. Then you can use the join option. Okay, join, and that now will be a single object. Okay, I draw with the dimension as per your question. I did it. Okay, it will be taking only 2 minutes. Okay, for me, but we'll probably be taking 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so you can practice it. Then next they are asking from here to get 31 mm. Okay, for the axis. Okay, so for that I draw same. Okay, from here to get some 31 mm. Okay, so from this point I'm taking some ortho mode is on 31. Then again I'm drawing one line from here, axis line. Okay, so convenient distance, no problem. Okay, then I'm deleting this one. Then go to revolve. Revolve is a revolve. Select object. So this is my object. Okay, this is my object. Press enter. Okay, press enter. Then they're asking the axis point. Okay, so I'm taking this is my axis point. Okay, according to this axis, I'm going to revolving this object. Okay, so I'm taking this is my axis point. So I'll see in 3D. Maybe you understand clearly. Okay, in 3D isometric. Okay, see. Okay, this is your thing. Go to revolve. I will be available below extrude option. Revolve. Select object. Press enter. Axis point. From this is my axis point. Okay, then revolve into how much angle you want. They asking angle. 180 means only will be coming off. See, off. Or 360 will be coming full. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can take it as a full, no problem. Okay. Okay, wow. Only thing new command is revolve. That's it. Remaining all already used line command only. Draw this profile. Okay, as per the dimension, then revolve it. That's it. Second question. Okay, wow. Can you move next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here one same line option only. You draw one circle line option. Then using this one is you can use it fillet. Okay. So this we know already. This we know how to draw it. Okay, I won't explain this one. Okay. What are the commands you have to use it for? Fourth question. You can take it. This is a front view. Okay, you can take it.
Yes, sir.
The front view. Okay, from this direction you can take it front view. You draw only this profile. Okay, imagine I am repeating this. You draw only this profile. This edge is on this profile. Extrude. Then you can take it to the top view.